Mastering the Magic of Factoring Polynomials. Hello learners from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic in algebra, factoring polynomials. As we unlock the secrets of breaking down these algebraic expressions, you'll find that understanding and solving problems related to them becomes much easier. Let's embark on this mathematical journey. Before we discuss how to factor them, it's essential to grasp what a polynomial is. A polynomial is a mathematical expression that consists of variables and coefficients. They can be as simple as xxx or as complex as 5x3 minus 4 by 2 plus 7x minus 25x caret 3 to 4x squared plus 7x 25x3 minus 4 by 2 plus 7x minus 2. The main thing to note here is that all the exponents, or powers, of the variables are whole numbers. So why should we factor polynomials? Well, factoring can help us simplify expressions, solve polynomial equations, and understand the roots or solutions of these equations. Imagine having a big block of clay. Factoring allows us to mold and shape that clay into smaller, manageable pieces. 1. Common factor. The first thing to look for is if there's a number or term that divides all the parts of the polynomial. For instance, in 2 by 2 plus 4x 2x squared plus 4 by 2 by 2 plus 4x, the common factor is 2 by 2 by 2x. 2. Difference of squares. This technique allows us to factor expressions like a2 minus b2a squared a2 minus b2, which can be written as a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a, b, a plus b, a minus b. 3. Trinomial factoring. For polynomials like x2 plus bx plus cax squared plus bx plus cax2 plus bx plus c, there's a methodical way to break them down. Often, it involves looking for two numbers that multiply to give akacac and add up to give bbb. 4. Factoring by grouping. Useful for four-term polynomials. For instance, in x3 plus x2 plus bx plus bax cubed plus x squared plus bx plus bax3 plus x2 plus bx plus b, we can group the first two terms and the last two terms separately and then factor out the common terms. Factoring might seem complex at first, especially with larger polynomials. But remember, practice makes perfect. The more problems you tackle, the more patterns you'll recognize, making the process smoother with time. And there we have it. The fascinating world of factoring polynomials, simplified. Always remember, algebra, like any language, becomes more comfortable the more you immerse yourself in it. We hope this video sheds light on the topic, and may your mathematical journey be filled with discovery and success.